To change yarn easily, what you're going to do is you've just been working up your round here, for example. Just going to pull up your loop a little bit and take your new yarn. Here is the end. We're just going to leave a little bit out so that we can sew that in later. And we're just going to insert our hook into the loop again and literally hook our new yarn and pull through. Okay, so you'll notice this is a little bit loose at the moment. What you're going to do is you're going to pull on the end of the yarn for the previous colour, just to pull it right down snug. Okay, and then make sure your tail is free here, and your new working yarn is ready to work with. So I'm just going to put that round the back there, ready for me to make a chain. So chaining 1, 2 and 3, and I'm ready to continue working. And then what you do is you'll cut your old working yarn here so that you've got enough to sew in when you finished your project. So that's a lovely easy way to change colour. Check out the website for more crochet tips, more videos and more help getting crochet confident.